Okay, we're with Owen, and he's going to talk about Catholic moral theology and drones and warfare.
Warfare is not always evil. A just war is a war that is seen as morally justifiable. In turn, just war requires humans to make moral decisions when participating in war. When the human aspect of war is removed, it begins to move into a gray area. With the addition of drones to modern war, the uniquely human ability to make a moral decision is removed. For a while, the human aspect was partially there in human-piloted drones, yet the disconnect was still apparent. Now, with the addition of AI piloting in drones, this disconnect is full and complete. Movies depict the problems with AI-piloted killing machines. For example, Terminator and RoboCop. Both of these robots were designed to disregard morality and maximize profit for their creators. In RoboCop's example, it shows human-piloted drones where he is partially human and can make certain decisions even though it is against his code. Yet, on the other hand, Terminator has zero regard for morality and human life and is a pure killing machine. Putting unmanned machines in war is a slippery slope, as it can lead to dystopias that were often seen as pure fantasy. Again, war is not simply black and white. It is a gray area. War can be just and evil. Recently, it has been trending in the wrong direction. The just war theory is exactly that, starting that war is necessary evil, that in certain circumstances can be morally justified. Pope Francis discourages this philosophy, stating, "Wars are always unjust, because the one who pays is the people of God." This is a wonderful statement, but it cannot always be true, as war is a part of the sinful society that everyone must live in, and most likely will not end until the resurrection of the dead. War has been around since the Bible and has not stopped since then. War is a constant with sin, and that is the sad reality that many have to face. The principle of warfare being a constant with sin is simply undeniable in the current world. War is in the Bible. God's word includes stories of war, killing, and death. Who can say that peace is achievable without him? Even while he walked the earth, war and death still occurred. Until sin is removed from the world, war will always occur. Often it is thought that drones are only responsible for combatant death. The problem is, it's often responsible for numerous civilian deaths as well. In a single drone campaign on the border of Pakistan, nearly 4,000 combatants were killed, but also 400 civilians were killed. Only 90% of all casualties were combatants. The rest were civilians. This is simply related to the trolley problem of moral philosophy. It is morally justifiable to not intervene and kill 4 people. Should the lever be flipped to only kill 1 person? The answer: stop letting drones dominate modern warfare. This restriction is not an option. It is absolutely necessary. The necessary restriction on autonomous weapons may soon be true. The United Nations is beginning a global effort to have countries sign a treaty that bans specific weapons. This is only a backup plan, though, to their current efforts of negotiations in the CCW that are estimated to conclude in 2026. This ban is based upon the fact that these weapons have zero ethical accountability and lack meaningful human control. Drones lead to a world that nobody should wish to live in. The thought of AI pilots gunning down massive crowds of combatants and civilians is disgusting. Pope Francis wants Christians to be different and challenge what is wrong. Through this proposal, each person who walks this planet is faced with one question: if everyone else is doing it, why can't I?